Want to charge your devices right at the picnic table? The Kadon camping table comes with a built-in solar panel that lets you power up phones and tablets under the open sky. Side shelves provide extra room for food, drinks, and camping gear. The lightweight folding frame, made from high-quality materials, is sturdy and durable. Assembly takes just minutes, so you can focus on relaxing instead of fumbling with complicated furniture. This camping table costs $130. Watching movies under the stars is every camper's dream, and the Benq GS50 makes it a reality. This wireless projector delivers 1080p Full HD with HDR10 support for vibrant colors and deep contrast. Its built-in Android TV system gives direct access to Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video without extra devices. Wireless connectivity works via Wi-Fi, AirPlay, and Chromecast, while Bluetooth speaker mode turns it into a portable audio system with rich bass. It's priced at $337. If this video helped you pick gadgets for your next camping trip, give it a like. It helps other travelers discover these useful reviews. The Alway Portable Power Station is a compact generator with a 280-watt capacity, 300-watt output, and a silent cooling fan. It can be charged 3 ways: from a wall outlet in 6 hours, from a car cigarette lighter in 5 hours, or from a 100-watt solar panel in 3 to 4 hours. Under bright sunlight, 9 ports include to pure sine wave AC, outlets for 110-volt devices, a 60-watt USB-C to USB-A, and 3 DC ports. The generator costs $180. The Frisco camping fan sets a new standard for long-lasting operation. Its 24,000 mAh battery provides 20 to 140 hours of runtime and can double as a power bank for your devices. The motor with ultra-thin blades spins up to 4,000 RPM, producing airflow at 4.6 meters per second while staying under 30 decibels. The fan has 4 speeds to LED brightness levels, a remote control, and 3 timers for automatic shut-off. It's available for $32. When camping, your dog deserves freedom too. And the Gia's dog tie-out cable gives it to them without the risk of tangling around trees. The tension system sets up between any 2 anchors in under 5 minutes and weighs only 700 grams. The reflective rope has a tough inner core, so you can spot your dog even at night, while the 360-degree swivel carabiner keeps the leash from twisting. The price is $17. Want to boil water faster than with a stove? The Fire Maple Fix Star 1 is a compact cooking system with a revolutionary heat exchange design that cuts boiling time by 30%. The 1-liter pot and stove are built as a single unit with push button. Piezo ignition, just click and it's ready to go. The full kit weighs only 510 grams, made of anodized aluminum with a neoprene cover. It keeps your hands safe from burns. And the LED light source is rated for more than 30,000 hours. The price is $50. If you can't start the day without good coffee, take a look at the VSSL Java G25 hand grinder. Built for the outdoors, it's high carbon. Stainless steel burrs with jewel bearings deliver a perfectly even grind. You get 50 grind settings, from ultra fine for espresso to coarse for a French press. The whole grinder weighs under 500 grams, and the fold-out handle locks into a carabiner loop. For compact storage, the price is $165. When you need serious lights on the trail, a regular flashlight just won't cut it. The Nebo Slide King, powered by 22 mAh lithium-ion battery, blasts out a massive 2000 lumens in floodlight mode. Slide it open to reveal a built-in LED panel that floods the area with wide, even light. The panel has 5 modes, ranging from 500 lumens of white light for 4 hours to a flashing red signal for emergencies. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, it can even be submerged up to a meter. The price is $50. If you're looking for a tent made with cutting-edge materials, check out the Nemo Equipment Dagger. It's recycled polyamide fabric, repels water 4 times better, and stretches 3 times less when wet. The tent has 2 large doors and massive trapezoid-shaped vestibules. The pre-bent aluminum poles and the color-coded parts make setup intuitive even. For first-timers, prices start at $480. When you're off-grid and cell service disappears, the Short Call Fusion To Go keeps you connected. This in-vehicle signal booster instantly strengthens 5G and for LTE. Even in the most remote areas, it works with all US phones and carriers with no setup or extra fees. The rugged housing and all-weather magnetic antenna can handle the toughest road conditions, and installation is straightforward thanks to the SureCall app, which guides you to the best antenna placement. The price of this device is $550. The Nicely Camping Stove is a 2-burner cooker that delivers the kind of power you'd expect from a professional kitchen, making it ideal for serious outdoor meals. The stainless steel grates resist rust, corrosion, and high heat, while the burner's non-stick coating makes clean up easy. Piezo ignition lights the burners with a single press, and step-less adjustment gives you precise temperature control for any dish. Weighing just 3 kilograms, its foldable design with an integrated handle makes it easy to carry. The price is $90. When batteries die at the worst possible moment, the Zenova Camping Lantern comes to the rescue. With triple power options, a solar panel, a USB rechargeable battery, or 3 standard double-A batteries. Its upgraded 360-degree LED technology provides 100 lumens, enough to light up an entire room or a large tent. The lantern runs for over 12 hours on a single charge, and the power bank feature lets you charge phones in emergencies. It's priced at $38. If you're tired of waking up with a sore back after a night in a tent, the Gaiam Loop Memory Foam Sleeping Pad will put an end to that. It's 10 centimeters thick and combines 2 types of foam: a sturdy base layer and a top layer that molds perfectly to your body. The waterproof shell keeps out dew and damp ground, while the removable cover can be tossed straight into the washing machine. Prices start at $120. The Kaltu Late Start Backpacking Tent can be set up faster than you can pull your coffee thermos out of your pack. Its quick corner design, with color-coded poles and pre-bent aluminum supports, creates a space of 215 by 137 cm, with a peak height of 100 centimeters. Built to handle heavy rain, every seam is fully sealed, and since it's freestanding, you can pitch it first and then pick the best spot for camp. prices start at $160. The Vivo Camping Kitchen Table is a full outdoor kitchen that unfolds in seconds. Without a single tool, the aluminum frame supports a work surface. Made of aluminum and steel mesh, strong enough for all of your pots and pans. You get 3 height options: 56, 63, or 71 centimeters, so it's comfortable for both adults and kids. The whole setup costs just $58. The Arc Tourist Base Camp Blanket is more than just a blanket. It's a multi-purpose piece of gear measuring 228 centimeters squared. One side is made of ultra-durable, waterproof fabric with a urethane coating that shrugs off rocks and dirt, while the other side is soft quilted nylon. The synthetic insulation keeps warmth in, and 8 reinforced tie-down points that you rig up as a sunshade. There's even a zippered corner pocket for small essentials. It costs $45. The Nemo Equipment Pillow King is an inflatable pillow that packs down incredibly small into its carrying pouch. Its 15-centimeter I-beam baffles eliminate that lumpy feel and give the pillow a natural shape. The recycled foam filling adds extra softness, while the ultra-soft jersey blend cover is machine washable and stays cool even on warm nights. The ergonomic valve is easy to use and tucks away neatly, so it won't get in the way. The price is $75. The Campville Crab is a cotton canvas tent that solves the problem of condensation inside. Once and for all, the fabric is exceptionally durable, though a bit on the heavy side. But in return, you get true comfort without stuffiness. It comes with a waterproof rainfly and a ground strap for added protection. Thanks to the breathable fabric, you'll sleep comfortably even in hot weather. As you see, it really feels like home. This tent costs $389.